So now we want to import all of the B-roll files that we made. So we have 1, 2, and 6. And I didn't do all of them yet. Just doing this for an example. So click on open. And then we bring in number 1. And make sure it takes up the whole screen. And it should be below the transcripts. So when I go back to this, and we'll see that 1 should be at 2633, and then we can see what word that should be and see if that lines up. Because the keyword is oxygen, and if we want to look at here, it's oxygen. So I'll go back to CapCut. And we'll go to about 20, and there's oxygen right there. So then we'll move the it's right there. And the track should be below the captions so that the captions still appear. Like that. So now the captions are on top and the B-roll is here. And this is how it'll look.
It's made of... This section is the foundation. It challenges what you've been taught about oxygen and introduces carbon dioxide as a master regulator of your physiology.
So now we'll do the second clip, and we will look here. So number 2 goes shows how CO2 stabilizes mitochondria. So that's where it goes in those words. And then if we scroll back up, number 2 goes at approximately 32 seconds. So go to 32 seconds. And we will drag our thing right there and make sure it takes up the full screen if that's the way you want to do it. I don't know if you might be able to mute the entire track. So that's probably the easiest way, just mute the entire track.
It shows how CO2 stabilizes mitochondria, reduces inflammation, and helps your body actually produce.
And then we'll do the same thing for the third one. Okay, image, and then I'll just do number 6 because I have it on there. Cellular level, the keyword, 1 minute and 51 seconds. .151, I will drag in image number 6. And then I'll make it take up the whole screen.
It looks how the body is organized at a cellular level, including water, proteins, and the underlying architecture.
So if that happens, they made the image the wrong sizes. So you just click on the image and you click on aspect ratio. So you want to have it to be 16:9. So it'll create the image at the right size. So now it created at the correct size. So I'm going to re-download that as number 1, correct size. Just make sure you do it the correct way the first time. And for all of these images, you can make it for Instagram as well as a story size. Okay, so I'm going to go back to CapCut, and I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to import the one I just did. It's the correct size. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to put in number 1, the correct size. Bring my thing back over here. And I don't need to resize it because it's already the correct size. So
Each one builds on the next to completely change how you understand your body. The first section is the foundation. It challenges what you've been taught about oxygen and introduces carbon dioxide as a master regulator.
Okay, so now we just need to make sure everything is generated at the correct size, so we don't have to resize it and miss out some of the image. So the images from ChatGPT are very important because they're very detailed and they do a very good job of describing what I'm talking about. So now the same process will be done for all 8 of the B-rolls that ChatGPT suggests that we use.